So today's video going to be is very epic video, and come here, show the stock. This is DEVIALET Phantom reactor. It will be very safe to say this is the first time this stock has been available in brand overstock in anywhere in India. So we managed to get just one piece of this thing, DEVIALET Phantom reactor. You see the box, show the MRP. It's 1,40,000. This is the cord. Here is the beast. This is insanely heavy. This little thing weighs, it's almost 6 kgs if I'm not wrong. So let's plug it in and see how it sounds. So let's turn this thing on, see how it makes sounds. So you have to keep it plugged all the time. It's getting on. It's on now. Let's pair it. So we are connected in Bluetooth. Let's play some song. मुझसे ही मुझको जुदा कर दिया तेरी नजर में क्या कर दिया मुझसे ही मुझको जुदा कर दिया. Let's play something else. So that's all for the day. We are in this field for last 5 years, and we have sold plenty of headphones, speakers in pretty high end, but we haven't heard anything like this before. In the size of this thing, the sound it's making and the bass it's producing, it's next to phenomenal. So please keep an eye on our website. So we'll be making it live shortly. Okay, thank you.